Welcome back. I hope that you enjoyed day one, that you found the reflective exercise beneficial and significant to your daily lives. And congratulations, you came back. So we are so excited to continue to work with you through the duration of the 3 days. And then perhaps in that live wrap up where you'll be able to ask personalized questions and engage with us live. So once again, this is how to stress less and live better in 3 days. You talked, or we focused a little bit yesterday on the science and the background of stress and health, and we looked at that good versus the bad. I do hope that you're working through where some of the specific sources in your daily lives has been applicable. Furthermore, we are digging a little bit more into things that influence us as individuals. So essentially, stress is a mediator. When we're thinking about science and research and all that crazy stuff, that's probably outside of your scope, but is definitely my subject matter of expertise. We are looking at it in combination with other lifestyle behaviors, things in our mindset and our mental and emotional health, otherwise mental awareness, emotional well-being, and environmental exposures. Those also play a role. So that may come up a little bit more when we're thinking about the biochemical nature, but that can then impact things like our hormone regulation, which then can affect our moods. So it is important to understand that this is a multifactorial soup, for lack of better terms. It's a nice little functional term there for you, or reference that we like to use. But when we're looking at stress management, which is the focus of today, there are sort of informal approaches to that. A lot of that fit into things of self-care. That's why we focused a lot of that in the workbook. But there are more formalized methods, and many of which do have relevant science to support them, such as mindfulness-based stress reduction, as an example. But what we want to think about is just being realistic. First step is awareness for understanding what is significant to our lives, what are our triggers. Something that may impact someone else in a stressful manner may not impact you that much. I was speaking with someone a few weeks ago that was working with in a healthcare setting, and he said to me, he says, I find daily commute very soothing. It helps me with my stress. When I think most people would say, oh gosh, daily commute and busy traffic, heck no, that's stressful for my life. But for him, it was actually beneficial. So it is a very much a personalized discussion, and so we really want to give you that opportunity to explore your personal circumstances, your personal life, and what is coming to the table. So have fun continuing on with the resources and the workbook, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.